Hi guys. Hi guys, how you all doing? I'm applying gel on my hair. See my hand. It has dyes, so I have to quickly go and wash it. But I remember something and I was like, no, let me drop this here before I forget. So good. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Terimi Annie Pop. And for the new people watching this video, hi guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would like to see you. It's a community we are building, so join the train, okay? And for my host subscriber, my returning viewers, how you all doing? I really missed you. I had a very hectic week, but thank God it's weekend and it's my sister's birthday. So on today's video, I'll be dropping a video. I'll be telling you on the video how to get rid of cough. This is like a traditional method on how to get rid of cough, just a simple method. So what you just need garlic, red oil, or you call it palm oil, some call it palm oil or red oil, and onion. But please and please, I'm making emphasis on this cannot be used for infants. You can use it from toddler upward, then you're good, but don't use it for infants. Yeah, don't use it for an infant. So you how to prepare: just blend your pound pound your garlic or blend it. If you don't have a mortar or if you don't have a blender, you can use any of the method. Blend or pound it, then add the turmeric to it. Turmeric is always on my head. Add the red oil and the honey to it. Here, these mayonnaise. So add the red oil and the honey to it, and you're good. So just take as you like, and you're fine. So stop coughing. Stop coughing. This is just a simple way and the fastest way to get rid of cough. I remember this method now, like, let me quickly share this thing with these people. So I'll just show you how to prepare it, and you keep in a cool and a dry place. Yeah, and you're good, you're fine. So enjoy this video. If you know you are new here, please share my video. If you're old here, continue sharing, continue liking, continue watching. If you're new here, if this is the first video you're seeing of me, you can go down to my page, scroll down to my page and see my others video, learn from it, and let's build this community. I'm in a group with me. Oh, I have to watch this down on my hand, please. All right, see you all later in my next video. I love you all. Bye. Mwah.